This conference will now be recorded.
In today's session, we are going to discuss about Salesforce CRM, and we will see what exactly the Salesforce CRM and what is the use and what we can do with the help of Salesforce CRM and what are the various features that we can automate with the help of Salesforce CRM. We'll see practically today. And then as part of this today's session, we'll see what exactly the CRM process and the CRM terminology or the vocabulary that we are going to use to automate our business processes. We'll see practically today. So before starting the session, could you please let me know how many people have attended my demo sessions? Anybody has attended the demo session? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Most of the people.
We attended the
Yes, sir.
So very few people are not remembered. Okay. Now, okay, fine. So let's see what exactly the Salesforce CRM and what we can do with the help of this Salesforce CRM. Now, let's see practically here. Salesforce.com is an organization. Salesforce.com is an organization which has been started in 1990s by a person called as Mark Benioff. Salesforce.com is an organization which has started by a person called as Mark Benioff in the year 1990s. So now you can raise the question, sir, when exactly they have started this organization? Salesforce.com has started in March 1999. That means since almost 20 to 21 years. So many people might be having a question in their mind, sir, Salesforce is a new technology in the market. Basically, Salesforce is not a new technology. Salesforce is available in IT industry since almost 20 to 21 years. But since almost 12 to 13 years, Salesforce is in huge demand in the market. From since almost 12 to 13 years, Salesforce is in huge demand in the market. So many customers have started using Salesforce CRM and the Salesforce products also in order to build their own custom applications also. Now, so now here in this case, you can raise the question, sir, why this Salesforce is in huge demand right now in the market? We have so many technologies available in IT industry, like we have Java, .NET, SAP, Oracle, Hadoop. So many technologies are available. Then why this Salesforce is in huge demand right now in the market? So what is the benefit of using this Salesforce services? The main reason is whatever the technologies that we have in IT industry till now, it may be any programming language, it may be any software, it may be any tool, it may be any platform also, or it may be any database also. Like we are having Java, .NET, SAP, Oracle, Hadoop. These are all are purely on-premise. These are all are purely on-premise applications which requires installation first. As part of on-premise application requires the pre-installation of the software inside your local device first. First of all, we have to install, then only we can start utilizing that. So if you want to install that application, first of all, we have to buy the license. In order to buy the license, we have to do the huge investment. That is the first major problem here. Second one, we have to maintain a high configuration server. We have to maintain a high configuration server in order to install that software. So that we have to do the huge investment again in order to buy a high configuration server, which will be having the capability of storing some terabytes of information, which provides more faster performance, which provides more security for your data as well. So that we have to do the huge investment. So now in this case, it is keep on increasing the investment for the customers. So the big customers or the big organizations, they can do that much of investment to invest that huge amount to buy the expensive license of the software to maintain their own physical infrastructure also. But what about startup organizations, small organizations, mid-sized organizations? In this case, for this organization, it will be very difficult because these are the recently started companies. So they're having very less number of customers. They're getting very less revenue. They're getting very less profit also. So these people can't do that much of huge investment. So it will be very difficult for the startup organizations, small organizations, and the mid-sized organizations to do that much of huge investment to buy the expensive license of software and to maintain their own physical infrastructure by maintaining their own high configuration server. So in this case, so many people are going to be adopting Salesforce services. Why? Because from the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering cloud services. They're purely offering cloud services. Then what do you mean by cloud services? Cloud services can be accessible just with the help of browser and internet access, without having any installations, without maintaining any prerequisite software inside your local device, without maintaining any prerequisite hardware configuration like as 4 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, 1 terabyte of memory, nothing. Forget about all these things. Just we need browser and the internet access. In order to access our cloud application, we don't want any latest system. We don't want any high configuration system. Just with the help of browser and the internet access, we can access your cloud applications as well. That is a major advantage here as part of cloud services. So in this case, from the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering cloud services. The two, these cloud services will be available to the customers on rental basis. We no need to do the huge investment, just we can pay the rental amounts, we can access the services over here. Like in the real world, we are taking so many resources on rental basis. We are taking some flats on rental basis in the real world to stay with our family. We are taking cars on rental basis to travel from one place to another place. We are utilizing internet access on rental basis. We are taking electricity on rental basis. We are taking water facility on rental basis. So many resources we are taking on rental basis nowadays in the real world. Like the similar way, we can take IT resources also on rental basis by contact this Salesforce.com organization. So from Salesforce.com, we can take each and every IT resource on rental basis. Just we can pay the rental amount. They're offering the services to you. We can access them just with the help of browser and internet access without having any installations. We no need to install anything in our local system. Everything will be accessible just with the help of browser and the internet access itself. So whatever the device that we have, it may be a desktop, it may be a laptop, it may be a mobile, it may be a smartphone, it may be tab, it may be any other device which is having browser and the internet access capability. Those devices are capable to access your cloud applications. So cloud applications can be accessible by using any device whatever we have, which is having browser and the internet access capability. We don't want any laptops mandatorily. We don't want desktops mandatorily. We don't want any high configuration system. Even though you are having a very old system which is having 256 MB of RAM, that is also capable to access your cloud applications. That is a major benefit. So investment has been completely reduced as part of this, which is Salesforce, because of the cloud services. So we no need to do the huge investment. We can able to just to pay the rental amount, access that service, and that too we no need to maintain a high configuration system. Use your own old system also. Through that old system, we can access those services to automate our business processes. For that reason, so many clients are adopting Salesforce services nowadays. That's what we have the huge demand for Salesforce. So that Salesforce services are accessing by almost 150,000 companies. So they have started this company in March 1999, okay, by the person Mark Benioff, okay, with the two employees. While starting this company, they have started this company with the two employees, but now 150,000 companies are using Salesforce services, which includes banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, energy, oil and gas, hospitality, e-commerce, supply chain, everybody, each and every company is using Salesforce. Even though when you go to the banking organizations, they are using Salesforce nowadays. Every banking organization is using Salesforce applications. Okay, now, so Salesforce is purely offering cloud services which can be accessible just with the help of browser and internet access. Okay, clear up to this one? Now, so basically, Salesforce offers
ఏదో
three
అనుకుంటా అని చెప్పిన
classifications of services to their customers. Now, Salesforce offers three classifications of services to their customers on rental basis. Let me explain each and every category of service offered by Salesforce to their customer on rental basis. Now let's see. Salesforce offers three classifications of services. Three classifications of services. What are those three classifications? First one, software as a service. Second one, platform as a service.
Infrastructure.
Third one,
Infrastructure.
infrastructure as a service. Now, as part of this course, I will be covering all these three parts also. Okay, I will be covering all these three parts. Ready-made software also, how to build our own custom applications by using platform also, how to manage our data through infrastructure also. All these three parts we are going to cover as part of this. Okay, now. So now here in this case, Salesforce offers three classifications of services: SaaS and the platform and the infrastructure. Now, let me give the full form of this SaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service. Second one, platform as a service. Third one, infrastructure as a service. So these are the three classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. So whatever the services offered by Salesforce, these services will be available to each and every customer on rental basis. Now, suppose for example, come to a small scenario. Assume that in my system, I don't have MS Office. Okay, I don't have MS Office here. Now, I want to prepare some business related documents like my business proposals, quotations, orders, contracts, invoices, the various documentations I want to prepare, and the various presentations I want to prepare so that I can give some demo to my customers also. So now tell me, without installing this MS Office inside my local system, can you prepare some documentations and presentations, all these things? No, we can't do that. So now tell me in this case what needs to be done. First of all, install the MS Office into your local system. Then only we can use those tools. We can build your own documents and then presentations, whatever you want. Now tell me, will the MS Office is available on free? No. MS Office is not a free software from Microsoft. MS Office is purely available on license based. We have to buy the license by investing the huge amount. Buy the license of this MS Office by contacting Microsoft or Microsoft partners and then get that software, install the software inside our local system. Then only we can use that software tools to prepare your own effective documentations and the presentation. That means, so whatever the software that we have in IT industry right now, those always requires installation. The two, we need to buy the license. But Salesforce is purely offering each and every feature to you as a service, which we can take it on rental basis. We no need to buy the license, take it on rental basis. Okay, it's purely rental available. This each and every resource will be available to you on rental basis. Okay, now so in this case, so we'll see what will be the rental cost of each and every resource. We'll see one by one when moving forward here. Okay, now let's see. The first one, software as a service. Now tell me, what do you mean by a software? What do you mean by a software? Software in the sense you are using so many softwares every day in your personal PC. Hmm.
It's a collection of applications.
Hmm. What exactly a software? Every day are you using operating system or not? Antivirus softwares are not? MS
Yes,
Office are not? Some media players are not to play some audio, video, songs, and everything? Yes. Now,
It's
then
a
what
collection of
exactly is
code.
software now?
It's a
Hmm.
collection of code, code
Now,
which is written by the developer so that it can perform a particular task to the particular customer and make that person's life easy.
right, exactly. Now, for example, I have Microsoft Paint. It's a paint application. It's a software. So what it contains, Microsoft Paint is a ready-made software which contains so many features available inside it. It provides so many features which are used to draw something, which are used to design something, which are used to represent something. So that if you want to design your own pictures, your own designs, then we can go with the help of Microsoft Paint. So Microsoft Paint is a ready-made software which contains a group of features to design your own pictures and the images, whatever you want. Now, for example, we are having Microsoft Word. So Word is a ready-made software which contains so many features to prepare your own documentations. In order to prepare some effective documentations, whatever the features are required, all are available here. Like the similar way, when coming to the software, software is nothing but a ready-made application which contains a group of features which we can use to automate our business processes. In order to store your business related data, in order to automate your business processes, whatever the features are required, all the features will be available in the form of ready made. So those are called as software. So software is nothing but a ready made application. It's a pre-built application which contains a group of features which we can use to automate our business processes. Now, so in this case here, software as a service. That means what? Whatever the softwares that we have, whatever the ready-made applications that we have in IT industry, if that software is exactly suits to your business, then we can take that software as a service. That means we can utilize that software on rental basis. We no need to buy the software license. We no need to do the huge investment. We can take them as a service. As a service means what? We can take it on rental basis. So we can take some ready-made softwares as a service. That means on rental basis. With the help of this SaaS feature, with the help of SaaS feature, we can take some ready-made softwares on rental basis. Okay, understood the concept here? Whenever we are utilizing some ready-made softwares on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. Let me give the note point here. By using SaaS features, we can take the ready-made applications on rental basis. By using SaaS features, we can take the ready-made applications on rental basis. Now in this case here, as part of Salesforce, what ready-made software Salesforce offers to their customers on rental basis? Anyone? The people who have attended my demo session. Salesforce CRM. So as part of SaaS, Salesforce is providing a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM. Salesforce offers a ready-made application, a ready-made software called as Salesforce CRM, which can be utilized by the customers to automate our business processes. And this application can be accessible just with the help of browser and the internet access by paying the rental amount to that Salesforce.com organization. Okay. So in this case, let's see what exactly is a Salesforce CRM and what is the terminology of this Salesforce CRM. Now let me digging into the concept here. Okay. So let's digging into the concept now. What exactly is CRM? What a CRM stands for? Why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now in the market here? And what we can do with the help of this Salesforce CRM? And then what terminology we are going to use? Okay. Now let's see. Now, let's see what exactly is Salesforce CRM. Now, tell me here, what do you mean by CRM? CRM stands for what?
Customer
Customer
relationship
relationship
management.
management.
Now,
Relationship management.
customer relationship management.
Management.
CRM stands for customer relationship management. Then, what is customer relationship management? What is customer relationship management?
Interact with
No,
clients
knowing
to
the,
manage the
knowing
customer
their
needs.
The
requirements,
requirement
Okay.
of the customers.
knowing their business requirements.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
you buy
Organization. Okay.
some
Right.
product, okay. You go to
Anyone?
Flipkart. Hello.
Now,
Yeah.
let's see.
You go to
So what exactly this is CRM? Now let me explain, okay, each and every process and what we can do with the help of the Salesforce CRM. Now let's see. And that too, why do we need to go for Salesforce CRM? Even though we are having so many other CRM applications, let's see one by one. Now, basically, for every organization or for every business, okay, customer is the base. Customer is the god for every organization. It may be a small organization also. It may be a very big MNC also. For every organization, customer is a base. Customer is a god for every organization. Because without the customer, we can't run the business. We can't sell out the products. We can't generate the revenue. We can't get the profits. So that customer is the base for every organization. It may be a small hotel also. It may be very big MNC also. For every organization, customer is the base. Without the customer, we can't run the business. So in this case, as an organization, it is our responsibility whenever we have captured a new customer by selling out the products, we have to maintain a proper association with the customer. We have to collect the customer's data. We have to store somewhere inside my local organization because in future, if we require, I can communicate with my customer also. I can communicate with my customer also. I can collect some feedback also from my customer. Based on the feedback, we can do some quality products to my customers as well. So in this case here, always we should be interacting with the customers here. It's our responsibility of the organization. So not only selling out the product, always we should be in touch with the customer. We have to maintain a proper relationship with our customers. So now here in this case, whenever if you want to automate your customers' data at one place, whenever if you want to automate, if you want to store all your existing customers and the new customers' data at one place, we are using a ready-made application. We want a software to store all our customers' data. So now in this case, now tell me, can't we store my customers' data inside my notepad application? Can't we store my customers' data inside my Excel sheet? Yes, we can store the data also. But the problem is, if I'm storing my customers' data inside this Excel sheet or inside a notepad document, these two are file systems. These are purely files. A notepad is a file, Excel sheet is a file. So file systems won't provide the much security for your data. Suppose today I'm creating a notepad. In this notepad today I have stored all my customers' data. Tomorrow, somebody will use my system. Once a double click on the file will get opened. Other people can see my customers' data also. They can modify my customers' data. They can delete my customers' data and they can do some malfunctioning also. So there is no proper security. And the two, if my system has been attacked with some virus, then I will be formatting my system. Whenever I'm formatting my system, whole files will be getting deleted. So automatically my customers' data will be lost. So for every organization, for every business, data is asset. Data is asset for the organization. Data is asset for the business. Losing the data means losing the customer, losing the business, losing the revenue, losing the profit, losing the credibility in the market also. So for that reason, as an organization, it is my responsibility. I need to collect my customers' data. I need to store somewhere which provides more security, which provides permanent storage of my customers' data. Because without my customers' data, I can't run the business here. So in this case, what is that safe place? What is that application where we can store all our customers' data, where we can automate all our customers' interactions at one place? For that one, we are using the help of the applications called as customer relationship management. So customer relationship management is a application which provides all the facilities to automate all your customers' data at one place. He may be an existing customer who is utilizing your product since very long time, or he may be a new customer who recently bought your product also. All the customers' data we can able to place at one place with the help of customer relationship management applications. So customer relationship management is a ready-made application which is allows us to automate all your existing and the new customers' data at one place. Okay, now, so now tell me in this case here, what kind of CRM applications do you know? Only Salesforce CRM, or do we have any other CRM applications in IT industry?
Microsoft
SAP
CRM,
CRM,
Oracle
right?
CRM, SAP CRM,
Oracle CRM, SAP CRM, right?
CRM.
Microsoft Dynamics.
Dynamics CRM from Microsoft. Hmm. We have so many CRM applications are available here. Like we have Sugar CRM. Sugar CRM is a very older CRM application which is available in IT industry since almost the 30 to 40 years. It's a very older CRM application. And then we have PeopleSoft CRM. We have Siebel CRM. We have Infor CRM.
Workday CRM.
We have Synergy CRM. We have NetSuite CRM. We have Adobe CRM. We have Microsoft CRM. We have Oracle CRM. We have SAP CRM. Like that, we have so many CRM applications are available in IT industry since almost very long back, since almost 30 to 40 years. So now in this case here, even though I'm having so many number of CRM applications in the IT industry, why should we go for Salesforce CRM? Okay, why should we go for Salesforce CRM? Why can't we go with this existing CRM application? What drawbacks that we have in existing CRM and what benefits that we have in Salesforce CRM now? On demand, right? Next. On demand means cloud feature, right?
It's cheap,
Okay.
reasonable.
It's a
Now, let's see. Let me explain
Affordable.
what are the drawbacks that we have in this existing CRM application. The first drawback in this existing CRM applications are whatever the existing CRM applications that we have, these are purely on-premises CRM applications. These are purely on-premises CRM application. What do you mean by on-premise? Which requires installation first. Okay, on-premise CRM application requires installation. So we have to buy the software license. It may be Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft, CBell, Infor, whatever anything. Buy the license of the software, get the software, maintain your own server. Inside the server, we have to install it first. Once you are done with the installation, then only we can use that software to automate your business data. Then only we can automate to store your customers' data. So these are purely on-premise CRM, which requires installation first, which increase the investment over here. Okay, now this is the first problem. Second problem is whatever the CRM applications that we have, these CRM applications are strictly CRM applications. These are strictly CRM applications. What do you mean by strictly CRM applications? Now let me explain. Okay, now. So now strictly CRM applications in the sense, whatever the CRM applications that we have right now, okay, in IT industry, like as it may be Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft, CBell, whatever anything, these are purely offering, okay, these are purely offering the ready-made functionalities to automate your customers' data. Okay, these are just the CRM application to store your customers' data, to store your business data, to store your sales data, service data, marketing data. That's it. But by using this CRM application, you can't build any of your custom application. By using this CRM software, I want to develop a banking application. I want to develop a finance application. I want to develop an insurance application, but we can't do that. Okay, but we can't do that here. Okay, but we can't do that. So these are strictly CRM applications which are providing some set of ready-made features which we can use to automate your business data. But we can't build any of our custom applications like banking, finance, insurance, healthcare. Like that, we can't build any of these applications because we don't have any platform with them. These are purely CRM applications which are providing some ready-made functionalities. Now, like for example, we are having Microsoft Word. So now whenever we are preparing the notepads, whenever we're preparing some documentations, so many options are available in Microsoft Word. Now tell me, can you add some more features to the Microsoft Word by your own? No, we can't do any more customizations. Can we remove some of the functionalities here? No, we can't do that. These are fixed. Whatever the features are available, these features we can use. If we want, we can use that. If we don't want that feature, leave it, no problem. But we can't add any more additional functionalities to this Microsoft Word, or it may be any other applications also, because these are fixed applications. Now, so like the similar way as part of these existing CRM applications, these existing CRM applications are strictly CRM, which doesn't provide any platform to build your own custom applications. This is the second major drawback here. Third drawback is upgradation. Third drawback is upgradation. What do you mean by upgradation? Upgrading in the sense adding features. How? How frequently? No. Upgradations in the sense, like in your mobiles also, similar concept. New models.
They don't add
New models.
don't add
Like for
more
example,
features
if it
in
is an iPhone, we are having initially like as some iPhone 8, and then 9, and then 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14. That means keep on new models of products has been introduced into the market with some new designs, with some new features, with some new colors, with some new configuration also. So now in this case, these are nothing but upgradations. So in this case, for example, as part of my organization, I'm using Sugar CRM. Initially, I have purchased that version 1.0, the first version of Sugar CRM I have purchased. I have installed into my local system. I'm using the Sugar CRM to store all my customers' data. For example, recently the organization has introduced the latest version of Sugar CRM, that is version 2.0, which is having some latest features. Then what needs to be done? We have to buy the license of the latest version of the software. We have to upgrade into your local device so that we can able to enjoy the benefits of latest features also. That means what? Once you are purchasing the on-premise application, keep on we have to upgrade that software whenever you got a new release into the market here. Whenever if we got a new release into the market, the latest upgradation, we have to do that upgradation manually by your own. For that reason, we have to do the huge investment. We have to buy the latest version of the license by investing a huge amount in order to upgrade that software into the local system to enjoy the benefits of latest features. So in this case, these are the three major drawbacks are available as part of existing CRM applications. In existing CRM applications, the first drawback is these are purely on-premise, which requires installation first. Second one, these are strictly CRM applications which doesn't provide any platform to build your own custom applications like banking, finance, insurance, healthcare kind of applications. We can't build these kind of applications because these are strictly offering some ready-made functionalities which we can use to automate our business processes. Third one, whenever you are using these on-premise applications, keep on we have to upgrade this software whenever you got a new release into the market here. These are few major drawbacks are available as part of existing CRM applications. So many clients are adopting a new CRM called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM. So many clients are adopting Salesforce CRM. Why? Why Salesforce CRM? Here, what benefits that we have in Salesforce CRM? Now, let me explain. So, basically, Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application introduced by Salesforce.com in the year 2000. In the year 2000, Salesforce has introduced this Salesforce CRM, which is the world's first cloud CRM application. You know what exactly cloud application, what exactly on-premise. On-premise application requires installation. Cloud application doesn't require installation. Just by using browser and the internet access, we can access it. Okay. Now the two cloud applications, we can take it on rental basis here. We can pay the rental amount. We can access that resource with the help of browser and the internet access. So Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application that we have in IT industry. Okay, now it is the world's first cloud CRM application. It is the world's first cloud CRM application, okay, introduced by Salesforce.com in the year 2000. Okay, in the year 2000. Now, so by using this Salesforce CRM, what we can do? With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your customers' information. He may be your existing customer or he may be a new customer also. All the customers' information we can automate it to one place with the help of Salesforce CRM. Okay, we can automate all your existing and the new customers' information at one place by using Salesforce CRM. Now, we can automate all the existing and the new customers' data at one place. Now, next. Third one. By using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your sales processes, service processes, and the marketing processes of your organization at one place. That means what? With the help of this Salesforce CRM application to automate your business, whatever the features are required, all those features are available inbuilt. Like it will be having the sales application inbuilt, service application inbuilt, marketing features are also inbuilt. So for every business, these three departments are common: marketing, sales, and the service. Remaining are additional. Okay, remaining like as finance division or HR division, or it may be insurance also, banking also, shipments also. These are additionally we can able to add. But commonly we are having okay, three divisions for every organization. It may be a small hotel or a restaurant or a supermarket, or it may be very big MNC company also here. For every organization, these three departments are common. Marketing to do the promotions, sales to sell out the products, service to provide the services to the customers. These three are common here. So, as part of this Salesforce CRM, these three functionalities are inbuilt available. So, by using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your sales processes, service processes, and the marketing processes. Okay, everything we can able to automate at one place by using Salesforce CRM application. Okay, now, so automating the processes in the sense storing that related data, sales related data we can store. That means our customers' data, their contacts data, our products data, our revenues information, everything we can store. That is nothing but automation over here, simply. Okay, now. So by using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate our sales related data, service related data, and the marketing related data at one place here. Clear? Now, we can
Thank you,
automate
Mr. Burrows. Just one question.
all the sales, service,
Hello.
and marketing processes at one place. Done? Now. Now let's see. Here you can raise the question. Sir, do we have any possibility to customize this CRM application according to my business requirement? Yes. So whatever the features they have given to us, we can able to use those features, and according to our business requirement, we can customize them also. Because organization to organization, business to business, client to client, their processes may be different here. Their strategies may be different. So in this case, can we customize the application according to my business requirement? Yes, everything we can customize. Salesforce has given so many plenty of customizations according to the business need. According to the customer requirement, we can do the customizations whatever we need. And along with that, we can add some more additional functionalities also. Like for example, by default, Salesforce is providing sales and the service and the marketing. Along with if you want some more custom applications like as custom features related to banking also, finance also, insurance related, healthcare related, whatever you want, we can build. For that one, we have a ready-made platform is available with us. Because these are strictly CRM applications, but Salesforce CRM is not only having the CRM functionality, it has come up with a platform also. It has come up with a platform. Through that platform, we can do our own customizations according to the business requirement. Just by using mouse clicks, we can able to customize the functionalities also. Those features are available according to the business needs. We no need to write much lines of code in Salesforce development. Most of the features are configurable features which we can do with the help of declaratively. That means just by using mouse clicks also, by using drag and drop also, we can do the customizations. So you no need be a technical guy. If you're a business person, if you know how to customize, then you can do it by your own. We don't want any technical people. We don't want a developer, especially to do the customizations according to the business needs. If it is a small customizations, we can do by your own as a business person. If it is a major change, if you don't know how to do that, then we can able to hire a developer who can do this work for you. So in this case, most of the features are customizable here according to the business requirement. Okay, now, so now we can customize. We can customize the features based on the business requirement. And we can build the additional features by using the platform, by using the cloud platform offered by Salesforce. So what is the platform offered by Salesforce? What is the platform name? Force.com.
Force.com.
Okay,
Force.com.
Force.com platform. During the demo session, we have discussed Salesforce is not only offering the CRM application, they have offered a platform also that is called as Force.com platform. Now, next one. By using this Salesforce CRM, we can maintain 360-degree view of the customer. 360-degree view of the customer. What do you mean by this 360-degree view? What exactly the 360-degree view? Now, let me explain. With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can maintain the complete history of the customer at one place. Like, for example, assume that. For example, 10 years back, I have started a restaurant in Amirpet. For example, 10 years back, I have started a restaurant. In 2012, I have started a restaurant here in Amirpet. So during that time, he is my first customer here. Okay. In 2012, he is my first customer. Since last 10 years, he is keep on visiting this restaurant also. He is purchasing the various products as well. Now my requirement is, since the last 10 years, how many times this customer has visited my organization? How many products he has purchased? How much revenue I have generated from this customer? How much profit I got from this customer till now? What kind of discounts I have offered to the customer? What kind of benefits I have offered to the customer? What kind of services I have offered to the customer? What kind of complaints he has raised till now? Everything I would like to automate at one place with the help of 360-degree view. Okay, 360-degree view. 360-degree view means what? It's complete history. The complete history of the customer at one place. Okay, the complete history of the customer at one place here. Now, for example, come to a small scenario over here. Assume that I'm applying for a loan, for a bank loan, okay, for my personal loan or home loan, whatever. Whenever you are trying to be applying for a personal loan, then the bank people will be collecting some necessary documentations for you. Like they will be collecting your identity proofs also, like as your Aadhaar card number, PAN number, they will collect that. Just by using that Aadhaar card number or the PAN number, they will track your complete history also. Your complete history, they will cross-check that. Based on your PAN number, they will check your credit history. That means till now, in how many banks you are having loans. So whatever those loan status, whether you are making the payment of that EMI on time or not, if there is any settled loans available or not. Okay, is there any loans are available which are in pending status or not? How many credit cards that we have? How many bank accounts that we have? Everything they would like to cross check just by using your PAN number or Aadhaar card number. So they can check your complete history at one place. We no need to give all these details to them. Just when I'm giving my PAN number and the Aadhaar card number, they will track everything here. They can track my complete history. So in this case, like the similar way here also, by using this Salesforce CRM, we can track the complete history of the customer at one place also. That facility is available over here. Okay, all the functionalities inbuilt as part of Salesforce CRM. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now we can automate the 360-degree view of the customer in one place. With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can automate the complete 360-degree view of the customer at one place. Now, that's what here so many customers are adopting Salesforce CRM functionalities. And one more major benefit in Salesforce CRM is Salesforce CRM provides inbuilt analytics feature. It provides inbuilt analytics feature. By using this analytics feature, analytics in the sense what? Reports and dashboards. Okay, analytics in the sense reports and dashboards functionalities. Now, generally when you go to this other CRM application which we have in the past, like in this CRM application, we don't have any proper reporting features. We can store the data, but fine. But by end of the day, I need to generate some reports to know my business performance. whether my business is in growing stage or whether today we got some loss. Everything I would like to check it out just by using the reports. It may be daily report, weekly report, monthly report, quarterly report also. Based on that report only, we can guess, we can identify the performance of our business, the growth of our business. So now here in this case, when coming to the existing CRM applications, we don't have any analytics features by default. We need to rely on some additional analytics functionalities by using some third-party tools. So to store the customers data and the sales data, service data, we are using this CRM application. And then to generate some reports, we have to use some third-party tools. Like we can use the Tableau, we can use that click view, we can use that click view. Now, like that, we are using some third-party tools over here. So many third-party tools are available in the internet, which the people are using in order to generating, especially for the reporting purpose, to show that reports, to represent the data in pictorial format, like as horizontal bar charts, vertical bar charts, pie charts, everything we can able to represent. Now, in this case, is it really necessary for me, okay, to store the data one separate application, to generate the reports one separate application? It will be increasing the investment, right? Yes. We have to buy the license of the CRM. We have to buy the license of this reporting tools also. It's a double investment over here. We have to invest that huge amount. For that reason here, the people are not showing interest to utilize this existing CRMs. Because in Salesforce CRM, inbuilt analytics functionalities are available. We have ready-made built-in features are available to generate the reports and the dashboards. Like, for example, here, let me show you. Let me go to my existing Salesforce account. I would like to show you that how these dashboards will look like. I'm going to my existing Salesforce account. Now, let's see. So we no need to rely on any reporting tools additionally here. So whatever the data that you want, we can store the data and then we can able to represent the data in pictorial formats also over here. Okay, it's a dashboard here. Like depends upon the requirement, we can able to configure your dashboard also by representing the data in the various chart components. So now here we can able to represent this data also here. Based on your business needs, it may be any chart components, horizontal bar charts, vertical bar charts, pie charts, donut charts, scattered chart, girls charts. In the various chart formats, we can able to represent this data also. That facility is available here. So that just by looking into these pictures itself, we can able to understand, we can able to get the complete glance of your business at one place. We no need to check what is that today's sales. We no need to check what is that today's like as marketing processes and the today's cases. We no need to check it out by contacting the respective people. Just we can go to the dashboard here. We can able to refresh the dashboard. It will be regenerating the latest data. We can able to see that latest data also over here, so that we can see the complete glance of the business at one place based on the requirement. It will be indicating that whole data as well over here. We can see that respective records also. The pictorial format, we can able to see that data as well. Those kind of analytics features are available inbuilt over here. These kind of analytics features are available inbuilt as part of Salesforce CRM. We no need to rely on any third-party tools. We can able to build. Okay, you can able to build your own reports also based on your business requirement. It may be daily reports, it may be weekly reports, monthly reports, quarterly reports. Everything we can able to build by your own according to your business requirement just by using some mouse clicks. That too, we are not using any programming. We are not using any programming. Just by using the mouse clicks itself, we can able to build all these features as well. So that based on your business requirement, we can able to build those reports also. We can customize those reports also. So that we are having inbuilt analytics features are available as part of Salesforce CRM. Okay. Now let's see. Salesforce CRM offers inbuilt analytics features which can be used to configure the reports and dashboard components. Which can be used to configure the reports and dashboards features. And that's what here so many clients are adopting Salesforce CRM. That's what Salesforce CRM is the world's #1 leader. Salesforce CRM is world's #1 leader in CRM space. Instead of using this other CRM applications, so many clients are adopting Salesforce CRM here. So in the demo session also I showed you, so what is the market share of Salesforce? Like when you go to this Salesforce market share, when you observe this, so it's a 2021 market share of Salesforce over here. We have so many big giants are available in IT industry who are offering CRM applications from the beginning of that organization since almost 30 to 40 years in the industry. Like we have Adobe CRM here, we have SAP CRM, Microsoft CRM, Oracle CRM. So when you observe the market share of this CRM applications, Adobe CRM's market share is 3.9%. SAP's market share is 5.0%. Microsoft market share is 5.0. Oracle's market share is 5.5%, but the Salesforce market share is 23.9%. So most of the clients are adopting Salesforce CRM because of these benefits. So today we have listed out so many benefits over here because it's purely cloud application, which is purely available on rental basis here. The two, these rental amounts are not high, not very huge. It's very small amounts over here. Rental cost is very cheaper when compared with the other vendor licenses here. Now, let me show you the Salesforce rental amounts also here. Now let's see the Salesforce rental amount values here. Let's see. Now as part of these editions, now here we are having the various plans. Those are called as editions in Salesforce. We'll see what exactly each edition indicates, what is the functionality of each and every edition, and then we'll see each and every functionality when coming to the upcoming sessions one by one. The differences between each and every edition, what kind of features each edition offers, we'll see one by one. When you observe these editions, now the essential edition rental cost is $25 per month per user license. Each users per month, one license cost is $25. Professional edition license cost is $75 per month per user license. Enterprise edition, rental cost is $150 per month per user license. Unlimited edition rental amount is $300 per month per user license. Now tell me, $300 per month is a big amount for a company? No. Generally here in the real world, in India itself, Okay, for some time before, if you're having 500 rupees, you can able to buy so many things. Okay, you can bring so many items to your home. But now with the 500 rupees, we can't buy nothing. We can't buy anything here. Okay, because there is no value. Okay, there is no value here. So now in this case, the people are investing, people are spending 500 rupees easily like this. Just for the breakfast, just for the lunch, just for the dinner, they're investing 500 rupees. But now for a company, for an organization, for 1 month, $300 is it's a small amount. It's simply nothing. So Salesforce rental cost is very, very cheaper when compared with the other vendor licenses. When you go to some other vendors like Amazon, Oracle, SAP, Microsoft, or it may be any other CRMs. So now when compared with those other vendor licenses, Salesforce licensing cost is very, very cheaper when compared with other vendor licenses. That's what here the client can save so much amount also. Client can save so much budget. The two most of the features are configurable features, just you can able to configure by using some mouse clicks, so that we no need of any development work. We no need of much developers. Most of the features we can able to implement through configuration with the help of declarative features. That's what here so many clients are adopting Salesforce implementations. So that's what here we are having huge demand for Salesforce in IT industry nowadays. Even though when you go to a small company, they're having Salesforce projects. We have plenty of opportunities on Salesforce, including from fresher to project manager level. We are having so many opportunities are available here. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. So now as part of this is Salesforce CRM. So now they are offering the various benefits. So because of that, so many clients are adopting the Salesforce CRM to automate their business data here. Okay, now let's see. Next.
Sir, I have one doubt.
So now
Hello.
tell me, by using
Hello.
this Salesforce CRM,
Sir,
we can store our self-related data and the service data and the marketing data. Okay, fine. Now, so now here in this case, here sometimes you can raise a question. Sir, we are from banking domain. We are from insurance domain. We are from healthcare. We are from manufacturing. We are from consulting. We are from educational domain. So in this case, what about us? Do we have any built-in applications from Salesforce to automate our banking, finance, insurance, healthcare processes? If
Dot.
no, at least do we have any platform to build our own custom applications according to the business requirement? Yes. So Salesforce is not only offering the SaaS features, that means ready-made CRM application to automate your customers' data. Salesforce has introduced a platform also. Salesforce introduced a platform also here. Now, so now Salesforce introduced a platform also. Now tell me, what do you mean by a platform? Anybody? What exactly a platform?
it's a stage wherein on that you can build many applications or something
Okay.
with the using the
Platform in the
feature
sense.
what is given, like Google Play Store. Play Store is an application. It's a platform, and they might have some various features and all. With that features, you can create your own application.
Right, exactly. Now, let me explain here. What exactly a platform, okay, what it contains. Now let me explain. Basically, platform is nothing but a development environment. Platform is nothing but a development environment. So what it provides a collection of services. It offers a collection of services. For what? To develop your custom applications. To develop custom applications. Now, Like for example here, come to a small scenario, general scenario. Assume that in my hometown, I have some space or I have some land. In this space, I want to construct a house. But I don't know how to construct the house because I'm not a construction guy. So now, in this case here, how can we construct the house? What kind of materials we require generally? To construct the house, we require some materials, right? We need some resources. Like we require manpower. That means construction people who is having some experience of constructing the house. That means builders or engineers, whatever. Next, we require some iron, cement, bricks. We require some material. We require some resources. With the help of all these resources, we can construct our own house also. Like the similar way, whenever if you want to build your own custom applications, if you want to develop your own software, if you want to develop your own feature, we require some set of resources. The combination of all these resources is called as a platform. So, platform is nothing but a collection of resources through which we can build our own custom applications. Then, what resources will be available over here? In order to develop a software, we require some resources. What resources? We require some programming languages. We require some technologies. We require some databases. We require some tools. These are the various resources are required. Like as for our house construction, we need some iron, cement, bricks, manpower. Like that, we need some resources. Like the similar way, to develop your own software, we require some programming languages through which we can write some piece of code. We require some technologies where we can adapt some ready-made functionalities. We require some database to store our data. We require some tools to perform certain automated operations. So the combination of all these resources is called as a platform. So platform is nothing but a development environment which provides a collection of resources through which we can build our own custom applications. So, whatever the sales application, service application, marketing application given by Salesforce, that is not at all suitable for my business. I want my own applications because I'm completely into a different domain. I'm into banking, I'm into finance, I'm into e-commerce, I'm into healthcare. So, I want my own custom application. So, according to your business requirement, we can build your own custom applications also by using the platform offered by Salesforce. So in this case, as part of Salesforce, Salesforce provides a cloud platform. What is that platform offered by Salesforce?
Force.com.
Force.com platform. Okay, Force.com. So now Salesforce offers a platform called as Force.com platform. Okay, Force.com platform. It's purely a cloud platform. It's purely a cloud platform. Okay, now that means not only the CRM application, they're offering the platforms also purely as a cloud. Okay, it's purely a cloud platform here. Then now in this case, we can raise a question here. Sir, cloud applications we can access with the help of browser internet access. Okay, fine. So now in this case here, if it is a platform, we are using some programming languages to write some piece of code. Okay, because every platform will offer some set of programming languages, some technologies, some databases, some tools also, which we can use to build our own custom application. Now, in this case, will Salesforce is offering some programming languages to write some piece of code? Yes. As part of this Force.com platform, Salesforce offers two programming languages. Okay, Salesforce offers two programming languages. So both are cloud-based programming languages. So both are cloud programming languages, which doesn't require any installations because the platform itself purely a cloud platform here. Okay, the platform itself purely a cloud platform which can be accessible just with the help of browser and internet access. Now, as part of this Force.com, we can able to build your own custom applications. Now, in this case here, Force.com offers two programming languages. So now tell me, what are those two programming languages? In the demo session also I have given this information. Apex,
Apex and
Apex.
Visual Force. Right.
Apex and Visual
Now
Force.
we have Apex programming. Second one, Visual Force programming. First one, Apex programming, and second one, Visual Force programming here. These are the two programming languages that has been given by Salesforce as part of Force.com platform. Now, so what exactly the Apex programming? What exactly Visual Force programming language? What we can do? Apex is for what? Visual Force is for what?
To implement the business logic, we'll use Apex. To implement the UI and all, we'll use
User
Visual Force.
interface. Right. Now, so now here in this case here, for example, here, come to a small scenario. Assume that I'm having my Salesforce application. You can take any application also, whatever, Java, .NET, C, C++, wherever you go. For example, I'm having the user interface is available here. I want to create some record. When I click on this new button, your form will be getting opened. I'm entering some data inside this. Okay, I would like to create a HR record data. I'm giving this data over here, like for example, so now some Shravan Kumar. Location I'm indicating as some Hyderabad. Contact number I'm giving some value. Email ID I'm indicating as Shravan@some gmail.com. Designation of the HR person I'm indicating as recruitment specialist. The current CTC, current salary of this employee as some 11 lakhs. Now, after entering the data, I want to save this record. How can we save? Generally. How to save this one? Do we have any button controls available on this to save the record?
Yes, yes.
This
Yes,
save
sir.
button.
Save button.
Yes.
Save button.
We have a button called as save button.
Save button.
Just you can click on this save button, it will be creating a record. Now tell me, upon click on this save button, how this button will know in which table this record has to be created? How this use button control will know?
So write in code for that button.
Now, in this case, what happened? Behind this button control, there is some logic will be available. Okay, there is a business logic is available, which will be getting executed. It will collect all the text boxes values. It will go to the database. It will create a new record inside your table. That means what here? Upon click on the button control, it will do some operations for you here. Like for example, whenever you are purchasing any items, we are transferring the money through some phone pay app also, Google Pay also, or it may be anything, any of that applications as well. Whenever we are scanning that particular barcode scanner, it will be populating the organization details also. We are entering the money, we click on pay button. Once you click on pay button, money will be transferred. How? Because of some business logic. Behind that pay button, it will be having some logic is available, which will be debiting the money from your account. The same amount will be crediting into target people's account over here. It will be giving the confirmation money has been transferred successfully here. Now, that means what? Behind every button control, there will be some logic is available. That logic is called as business logics, which is used to perform certain operation. It may be saving the record also. It may be deleting the record also. It may be searching for some content also. It may be canceling the current operation also, whatever, anything. In order to perform the operations, whatever the logic that we require, we can build those logics with the help of the feature called as a programming language called as Apex programming. So Apex is a cloud-based programming language. Apex is a cloud-based programming language which is used to build our own custom business logics. Over here. Now, here we can raise a question here. Sir, you said that Apex is a cloud-based programming language. As of now, we know so many programming languages like as C programming, C++, Java, C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, VC++, so many programming languages we know, but those are purely request installation. So, but in this case, as part of Apex programming, it's purely cloud-based programming, then where we can write the code here. where we can write the code. The code we are not writing in our local system. We are not using notepads over here. We are writing this code inside the browser itself. We are writing the code inside the browser itself here. Whenever we are writing the code, the browser will be dividing into two parts automatically here. Your browser will be dividing into two parts automatically. Let me show you here for your confirmation. Let me show you for your confirmation here so that you can understand whether it is a cloud-based programming or not. Now, let's see. So let me show you that functionality here. Your browser will be dividing into two parts automatically. This is the normal browser over here. So whenever we are building some functionalities, your browser will be dividing into two parts here. Let's see. At the bottom of the browser, you will be getting an editor. We are not installing anything in our local system. We are not writing anything in our local system. We are not compiling anything in our local system. We are not executing in our local system. We are not saving anything in our local system. My local system is just a dummy system to connect to the internet. That's it. Everything will be available inside the internet itself. So in future, if I go to some different location, I can use the new system. I can connect to my Salesforce account. I can access every data also. Okay, nothing will be there in our local system now. So we can able to write our own business logics also here. So whatever the browser that we have, your browser will be dividing into two parts here. At the bottom, you will be getting the editor. We can write the piece of code. At the top, you will be having user interfaces available to you. You can see the results, everything. So whatever the business logic that you want, every business logic we can able to write by using the editors itself, which has been offered by Salesforce, which can be accessible through browser itself. Okay, that's what I told you clearly. It's purely cloud-based programming languages. It may be Visual Force, it may be Apex also. Both are purely cloud-based programming, which doesn't require any installation, even though we are writing the code that will be available inside that browser itself. We are not using any local editors. We are not maintaining any local editors. Like as a Notepad, Edit Plus, we're not using anything. Everything will be through purely inside that browser itself. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. So in this case, so what exactly the second programming language here? Visual Force. This is for what? User interfaces.
Administrators and
If you
developers.
want to design your own user interfaces, okay, if you want to design your own user interfaces, we can able to use the help of this Visual Force programming language. Depends upon your requirement, we can design. Now, so now here in this case, like for example, this is the user interface which I have designed over here. So that here I'm going to be using some Visual Force programming. I'm writing the code here itself. I'm writing the code here itself over here. Like if you want to design your own user interfaces according to the business requirement, then we can do. Like for example, here I'm having a small section is available. In this section, I want to place one text box over here. Let's see how can we place that. Inside that, I would like to place a text box also. I'm placing that. Enter customer name. I'm indicating now. Let's see. We can able to place your own text boxes also, depends upon the requirement. So whatever the user interface that you want, we can design. So now we are writing the code inside the browser itself. Through the browser, we can compile, we can execute, we can see the result also over here. If you want to place one more text box, we can able to add one more. Depends upon your requirement, we can able to place it over here. Based on the business need, we can able to place multiple text boxes also, whatever you want here. Different text boxes we can place. So whenever if you want to design your own user interfaces according to the business requirement, then we are using the help of Visual Force programming. So Visual Force is used to design your own user interfaces according to the business requirement. So upon click on this button control, if you want to do some action, then we require business logics over here. Okay. Now, so now these are the programming languages. So here, just I showed you some sample code because so that we can understand. We no need to install anything in our local system. We are writing the code through browser itself. It may be designing also. It may be business logic also. Everything we need to write inside the browser itself. That's what here. So now so many people are adopting Salesforce implementation. You can do the practice of Salesforce by sitting in the internet center also. Okay, by sitting in the internet center also we can do the practice of Salesforce because just we want browser internet access here. We don't want any installations. We don't want any high configuration devices. Okay, now let's see. Let me give the note point here. Apex programming. By using Apex programming, we can build the custom business logics based on the application requirement to be used to perform certain operations inside the application. Whenever if you want to perform any operations inside your application, then we can able to write the business logic by using Apex programming. Now, the Visual Force. Basically, Visual Force is a web development framework to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. Now, sometimes you can raise a question, sir, whatever the background color here, they have given that blue color, it is not looking like good. I want different color here. Then we can apply different color also, depends upon your requirement. Just you can change the color. Instead of this one, I would like to use the another object tab style here. So we can apply different colors also. We can change the color according to the requirement. The whole page we can able to apply the color also. Like for example, now I would like to specify the hiring manager. We can apply the different objects colors also here. Based on the requirement, we can change the application's colors also. Everything we can do. According to your requirement, we can make this user interface look like attractive. So we can design rich look and feel user interfaces by using Visual Force programming. So to design the user interfaces, Visual Force. To build the business logic, the backend business logic, we are using Apex programming language. Okay, these are the two programming languages are available over here. Now, here we can raise a question. Sir, for every application, database is the heart. For every application, for every project, for every software, database is the heart. Because database is a repository, database is a location where your whole business data will be getting resides. Now, do we have any database for Salesforce here? Upon building my own application, so we have understood here, we have identified two programming languages, Apex and Visual Force. What about database here? We no need to take care of any databases as part of Salesforce. Database will be taken care by Salesforce automatically for you. Database will take care of by Salesforce automatically for you, just by using some mouse clicks. Just with the help of some mouse clicks, we can design your own objects. Automatically, database will be getting building by Salesforce by default. So just we can able to leave the database part here. Forget about the database part here. Database part has been eliminated because that will be implemented by using mouse clicks itself. We no need to learn any database programming like as SQL, PLSQL. You no need to learn all these programming languages by your own. These will be taken care by Salesforce because Salesforce database is purely built upon ORM technology, object relationship and the mapping. So which will be designing the database tables automatically for you by default here. Okay. Now let's see. Visual Force programming. It is a web development framework which can be used to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. which can be used to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. Now, so in this case, as part of this force.com platform, what we can do basically with the help of this force.com platform, now let me explain. By using force.com platform, we can perform 4 basic operations. Okay, we can perform 4 basic operations. First one, we can customize. Okay, first one, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application features. Whatever the CRM features given by Salesforce, according to your business need, according to your application, we can customize those features by using force.com platform. That is one thing. Second one here, okay, second one. By using this force.com platform, we can customize the features also according to the requirement. According to the application requirement, I want to add some more additional features. I would like to extend the functionalities by adding some additional enhancements. So this is called as leveraging. Leveraging means what? Extending. For example, Salesforce has given 50 features as part of CRM. I'm using all the 50 features as part of my business. Along with, I want 5 more features additionally. But those are not available in Salesforce. In this case, what we can do, whatever the 5 features additionally that you want, we can build those 5 features, we can add it to the existing CRM application so that we can use all the features in order to automate your business processes. So that here, by using this force.com platform, not only customizing the existing features, we can leverage the functionality. We can add some more additional enhancements also. That facility is available. Third one, we can able to build our own custom applications also with the help of these 2 programming languages. We can build our own custom applications also according to the requirement with the help of these 2 programming languages. And the fourth one, by using this force.com platform, not only building your own application, if you want, you can integrate this application with that any other third-party systems also. Like for example, let me explain here. Let me show you one small scenario so that you can understand what exactly that, okay, integration. For example, assume that I'm using Amazon application to buy a product, okay, from Amazon. I want to buy a mobile product here. So that I'm selecting a mobile. I'm selecting a mobile product over here. Like some Samsung Galaxy M33 5G mobile, I would like to buy. So it is indicating the whole, okay, product features also, everything is looking like good. So I want to buy this. So click on buy now. Click on buy now button. Once you click on this buy now button, it will be indicating the details of the product here along with the payment information. So now how you want to make the payment over here. So the payment methods are populated. So you can able to select that payment method, whatever you want here. Now, so now here I'm selecting the payment option as net banking. So I'm selecting this option as, okay, ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. When I click on this use this payment method, what happened in this case here now? Now it is asking you to specify the details here. Now click on place your order and pay. Now let's see what will happen now. It is redirecting to what? ICICI payment gateway. That means ICICI Bank application. That means what? Upon click on that button control, automatically it will be connecting from Amazon application to ICICI Bank application. So both are integrated over here. Both are connected. So from here we can make the payment. Once the payment has been done, automatically Amazon ICICI Bank application is giving a confirmation to Amazon. Dear Amazon application, customer has done with the payment. Payment has been credited to your account. So please confirm the order and then send the product to the customer's location. So automatically order will be getting confirmed. Order will be placing inside the warehouse. Warehouse people are preparing the order. They are going to be delivering the products to the customer's location. That means what? Amazon application is integrated with ICICI Bank. That means what? 2 applications are communicating with each other. Like the similar way, if you want to integrate your Salesforce application with banking systems, Okay, if you want to integrate that Salesforce application with some financial applications, with some Java application, with some .NET application, we can integrate also. For that reason, we are using the help of this same Force.com platform itself. So through Force.com platform, not only building the custom applications, we can integrate your Salesforce application with any third-party systems also over here. Okay, understood the concept now? Now, let me give the note point over here. By using Force.com platform, we can perform the below 4 operations. First one, we can customize existing Salesforce CRM application features based on the need. Second one, we can leverage or extend the features by adding the additional enhancements. Third one, we can build the custom applications based on the need. Like for example, banking, finance, insurance, etc. And we can integrate the Salesforce applications with any external system. External systems means what? Third-party applications. Like for example, banking systems, or with a Java application, with a .NET application, with any application we can able to do the integration as well. That facility is available as part of Force.com platforms. That means instead of making your Salesforce application as an independent system, we can integrate that Salesforce application with any external system also. That facility is available by using Force.com platform. So not only using the ready-made CRM application, we can build your own custom application also, like as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, pharmaceutical, construction, any kind of application, whatever you want, we can build. So upon building those applications, whatever the user interfaces are required, we can design by using Visual Force. Whatever the business logic is required, we can build by using Apex programming language.
Mr. Feroz, can we have a look at the Force.com platform? How does it look like?
You see that one. Done? Now, the next one. So in this case, if you want to see how this Force.com platform look like here. So basically Force.com platform is already integrated with Salesforce. Just you can go to your Salesforce application here. Just we can go to our Salesforce application. From here itself, we can go to that Force.com platform. Just we can go to the developer console. Just you can go to that developer console. From there directly we can able to access that Force.com platform also to do the customizations whatever you want. Just you can go to that developer console. From here itself we can able to build your own logics also whatever you want. We can create your own functionalities also, your Apex classes also, triggers, lighting components, Visual Force pages, everything we can able to build according to your business requirements as well. Whatever you want, we can do that. Okay, all the features are available inbuilt. Now, next one. The last one, infrastructure as a service. What do you mean by infrastructure? What did you understand? Infrastructure in the sense. Now,
Storage, application
okay,
development.
right. Now, basically, infrastructure means what? Storage space. Storage space. Simply, we can say server resources. Server resources. Because once application development has been done, once the application has been built, then we have to install the applications in the client's environment here. Because that is called as deployment. Deployment in the sense installation. What are the applications that we have built for our client? Once application development has been done, we have to do the thorough testing here. Once the testing has been done, we have to install these applications inside the client's environment. So now tell me, in order to install this application to the client's environment, does the client needs to maintain a separate server? The client needs to maintain a separate server? No. In order to install this application, whatever the server resources are required, don't buy your own server. Don't buy the server by investing a huge amount. Take the server resources also on rental basis. Whatever the space that you want, we can take it on rental basis over here. Okay, now, simple concept here. Let me give you one small general scenario so that you can understand very easily what is this infrastructure concept here. Assume that I'm having some valuable things with me, like my property documents, jewelry, money, gold, okay, diamonds, all these things are available with me here. My whole property cost is some 2 crores. My whole property cost is 2 crores here. Because of some personal work, because of some business work, every week I'm going to the out of station here. Now tell me, how can we protect my property from the unauthorized people? What can I do? Can I bring all these items along with me whenever I'm going outside? Is it safe? No.
No.
Then what is that safe place where I can place all these items? Bank locker. Okay, bank locker. Now, so in this case, when coming to the bank people are going to be having their own locker facilities. We can go to the bank, we can take a small locker on rental basis over here, and then the locker people are they're providing some small space to you. In that space, we can place your valuable items, you can make a lock on that. Now tell me here, once I'm placing all my items inside this locker, who is responsible for my property, documents, jewelry, everything? Bank people. Do I have any risk now? No.
No.
Like the similar way, that means what here? Instead of maintaining my own security mechanism here, instead of appointing some security people for my home, instead of maintaining my own locker in my home here, I would like to place all these items inside the locker here. Now tell me, will the lockers are available and free of cost to you? No, they're charging some rental amount, like some for 1,000 or 1,500 per month here. In front of my 2 crores property, 1,500 rupees per month is a small amount. It's nothing simply. We can invest directly. Okay, by investing 1,500 rupees, okay, we can able to make our items safe. We can protect our items from the unauthorized people here. Like the similar way, whatever the way we are taking locker, we can take that space also on rental basis by contacting Salesforce with the help of infrastructure as a service. That means once the application development has been done, in order to install the application, whatever the server resources are required. Server resources means what? Whatever the storage space that you want, whatever the performance features that you want, whatever the security features that you want, whatever the backup and restoring facilities that you want, whatever the upgradations that you want, whatever the disaster recovery facilities that you want, everything we can take it on rental basis by contacting Salesforce. So we no need to maintain our own server. We no need to maintain our own server. Whatever the resources that we want, we can take it on rental basis. We can place your application inside that server. Okay, whatever the space that you want, we can buy the space by contacting Salesforce on rental basis, install your application inside that space itself. From there, your documents, your applications, your data, your records, your files, everything will be storing inside the Salesforce server. So from our end, no risk. If there is any performance issue, Salesforce will take care of. If there is a security issue, Salesforce will take care of. If there is an upgradation, Salesforce will take care of. Everything will be taken care by Salesforce from my end. My end, I don't have any risk right now. So that's what here each and every client is adopting the cloud services nowadays. The people are taking the cloud resources on rental basis. They're placing all the valuable items like as applications, documents, files, records inside that cloud space nowadays. So we can able to take that cloud space also on rental basis by contacting Salesforce, which is part of infrastructure as a service. So by using this, which is Salesforce, not only accessing the ready-made application Salesforce CRM, not only taking the platforms, we can take infrastructure resources also on rental basis from Salesforce. So in order to provide this infrastructure services, Salesforce is maintaining the servers. Salesforce maintains various servers. These servers are available in 3 different regions.
Hello.
Salesforce is
Sir, one
maintaining the
question.
servers in 3 different regions over here. First one, North America region. This is also called as EMEA region. Second one, Europe region. This is also called as EU or EMEA. Europe, Middle East and Africa. Third one, Asia Pacific region. This is also called as AP region. These are the 3 regions are available where exactly Salesforce is maintaining their own servers. I will show you the live concept of the servers also. How many servers are available in each and every region, how to check each and every server numbers, their current status also, historical status also, maintenance calendar also, everything I will show you with the live concept. Okay, these are all our upcoming topics here which we are going to discuss. Okay, today I'm giving the complete high level overview of these features also here. Okay, each and every feature will be digging into the concept one by one. Okay, now Salesforce is maintaining the various servers in different regions. Like as in North America region, they're having their own servers. In Europe region, they're having the servers. In Asia Pacific region, also they're having the various servers. In that server, they're having some huge memory spaces available. From those memory space, they're allocating some amount of memory space to each and every customer. Okay, now so that here we can able to store our applications, our data, our documents, files, records, everything we can able to place inside the Salesforce servers. So Salesforce is not only offering the ready-made CRM application as part of SaaS, Salesforce offers a platform also. As part of platform, we can able to build your own custom applications, and then we are having infrastructure services also from Salesforce. Okay, clear? These are the 3 classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. Okay, understood the concept now? Now,
Yes, sir.
so in tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss about the CRM process, that is also called as CRM lifecycle. So now as part of the CRM process, we are going to discuss the various terminology. Okay, the vocabulary or the terms which we are going to use as part of this CRM domain. Upon using this CRM application, what kind of terms, what kind of terminology, what kind of words that we have to use, we are going to be discussing in tomorrow's session. This part is very, very important. If you know this particular functionality, then the remaining 3.5 months course will be very easy to understand, because every day we are using same terminology, same words. If you know what exactly that each and every terminology, then understanding the concept is very, very easy here. Don't miss that tomorrow's session. That is very, very important feature here. Okay, tomorrow we'll explain the various terms and the vocabulary that we are using as part of CRM lifecycle. We'll see practically one by one. Okay, clear
Sir,
up to
one question.
now?
Sir, can I ask one
Thank
question?
you.
Hello.
Alan, people, could you please give me 2 minutes of time? I will come back to you. I will give the clarification for your question.
Okay.